Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add threads badge on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your App Store and then check to see if the Instagram needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version will cause many bugs, so be sure to check if the Instagram has latest version or not. And once you're inside here, what you need to do in order to add a threads badge on Instagram is by simply tapping on the profile icon, and here you can see threads badge, or here on tapping it the viewer will directly be sent to the threads account. Now in order to add threads badge on Instagram, what you need to do is just simply sign up for the threads. Now you can do it by simply tapping on this 3-bar icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you'll find the option that says threads. And now if you haven't signed up for your threads account, simply tap on it, and there you'll be asked to fill up different informations for the sign up process. And once that's done, the threads badge will automatically appear on your Instagram bio, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.